Hey, this is Eric at TechnoRV, and in this information video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the TST 507 tire pressure monitoring system flow-through sensor. And don't forget that you can get complete TST kits, individual sensors, battery change kits, all at TechnoRV.com. This is the TST 507 flow-through sensor. You will screw the flow-through sensor directly onto each valve stem, and then the flow-through sensor will broadcast forward to the monitor the PSI and temperature of each tire position. So let's walk through some measurements and features of the flow-through sensor. The flow-through sensor measures lengthwise 2.2 inches. From here to here. As far as the width from here to here, that is 1 inch. And then height, just from the base to the top here, is 0.9 inches high. The weight of the flow-through sensor is 22 grams, so it's less than an ounce, and there is no need to rebalance tires when you put the flow-through sensor on. The PSI range for the flow-through sensor is 0 to 218 PSI with an accuracy of plus or minus 3 PSI. The operating temperature range is from negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit with an accuracy of plus or minus 3 degrees. The sensor comes with a battery. This is the battery compartment on the top. To get into that, you just unscrew these tiny little screws here, and that'll expose the battery. It is a CR1632 battery. The life on that battery is about a year. The flow-through sensor does come with an anti-theft feature, and what you will get is you will have a brass nut that comes with each flow-through sensor, and then you will have this tool here as well. And what you'll do is you'll screw this brass nut onto the valve stem first, then you will screw the flow-through sensor on after that, and then you will use this claw to reach around and tighten the brass nut up against the flow-through sensor, and this will keep someone from being able to easily walk up and unscrew that from your valve stem. Can this sensor go on any type of valve stem? And the answer to that is no. You need to use the flow-through sensor on metal valve stems. Now, if you have rubber valve stems, the TST 507 offers a cap sensor that will work on rubber valve stems or metal valve stems. But if you want the flow-through sensor, then you do need metal valve stems. We find that customers with motorhomes, large fifth wheels that have metal valve stems really like the flow-through sensor, but towables, tow vehicles, things that may have shallower wheel wells, generally we recommend that you use the TST 507 cap sensor on those. But this is a great option as it allows you to air up your tire through the sensor without taking the sensor off of the valve stem. And that is the TST 507 flow-through sensor. So buy your TST system from TechnoRV.com and you'll get low prices. We offer free shipping on any TST kits that are sold, and we're the only place that you'll get the TechnoRV Learning Series. This is a series of videos that we've made just for you to make sure that you know how to install the system properly. Just make sure you're successful with the system. So go to TechnoRV.com and get your TST system today.